Hello, in this example we see how you use AI tools to generate syllabuses and grading system. For this example I have this kind of prompt. I want to use information from curriculum PDF and subject PDF, and I want to draft the syllabus for 10 weeks. Or you can also change the timetable as you wish. So I describe the deliverable, header, description, so on, assessment, and based on this syllabus I want to generate rubrics based on your school. You can a little bit upgrade it as you want it. And also to be more exact, I added two files, curriculum and a subject, based on my description as it is. And now I see what AI will give me. So AI gave me exactly what I asked it. So header, description, learning outcomes, schedule based on the weeks and topics, and learning outcomes, assessment and grading. Here we can, if we want to, little bit specify. Do we have example practical works or final exam? Depends on your school. Scale from 1 to 5. And here is additional information. And here I have Excel file that is based on this syllabus that I can download. And so as you see, the grading system that is made is not so good. Basically it doesn't give us anything. So we can just delete it. Now I will just take this what they gave me and copy it to the Word document. Here I see that what is okay or what is not. I will just go over you and see the topics. I will little bit upgrade the assessment, and when I'm satisfied I will just save it as a syllabus. Now that I have my corrected syllabus, I can also open new chat and get the second steps. Now I will ask AI to create rubrics to assess student works based on my subject file. As previous, I just copy the prompt, put it in AI, and add a little bit context. I will add subject, I will add curriculum, and I will add course syllabus. So based on those three documents, AI will generate me assessment rubrics to be used to grade student works. So AI made me assessment rubrics. So I download it and see the results. Here I see that I have criteria, performance level, and descriptions. We can use it, but probably we should reformat a different way. Here I just write it to reformat as horizontal table because I like it a little bit more and it's more understandable. Here we see that criteria are reformatted a little bit differently. We see criteria and grading based on 10% of intervals. We can save this as it is, but usually it's good to save it as a PDF. Here I saved the same table as a PDF because usually chat reads PDFs a little bit better than simple Excel files. For next step I want to grade student works based on my rubrics, based on my curriculum and so on. I can continue as we used before, but usually for greater task I will probably want to create a new project. Here on the left we see that here is a button new project. I will just put grading create project, and here I see the new window. On this project page we see that window is quite similar. We have tools, we have different models, but here is two new buttons. One is add files and other is add instructions. These instructions are needed to generate right answers every time. So I will get my prompt. So based on my prompt, I want to evaluate every student work separately per submission file based on grading PDF. It's my grading cube based on the subject and based on curriculum. So I will upload it as a project files, 4 files. Grading, it's description and scoring. Subject is subject outline. Curriculum is all the curriculum based on this subject, and project files. And what I want from AI is to get a table with ID, description, score, and so on, and everything I want to get to for grading. So I will just copy this prompt, go back here on the project page and paste it and save it. So based on my prompt, I want to upload at least 3 files, and it's important to get the same names. It means grading, subject, and curriculum. If you upgraded files with different name, you should put here in the prompt exact name that you use. So here I have a button add files, and opens new window. And here I will just upload grading, curriculum, and subject. So I uploaded 3 files needed for grading, and I just uploaded whole folder with the student works here. And here I see the process of uploading. You should wait to see that all the files are uploaded. So here we have all my files. It means I have grading, curriculum, and subject, and some student works. And here I have my custom instructions. Usually the project files should be not more than 10 files, but there's a way to overcome it. And here I will just write start, because all my custom instructions are in the file. And here I see that outcome ID and percentage wise. So I graded all the works separately, and here in a table I see the score, I see the description, and I see brief comments. Sometimes when you want to grade multiple works in a row, you should then just delete students' works here from project files and leave all the files that doesn't change. For example, grading, curriculum, and subject. And the student work should be added to the chat window. So here in project files I just left 3 files. The instructions remain the same. And now to grade student works, I just add files in the chat window and write a start. So when the works are uploaded, the arrow becomes active, and just write it, and AI will look at the files, look at learning outcomes, and so on and so on. And here once again I want to grade each work separately. And here I wanted to evaluate each student works based on every learning outcomes separately. So it made me a table. Once again, every student's work is separately graded. For example, one score is 0, one score is 50, and so on. Based on your teaching experience or your ideas, you can grade student works separately for each learning outcomes, or in summary, all learning outcomes together. So I generated two types of graphs. One is by learning outcomes and other is by students. And we see that learning outcome 2 is quite low, almost for every student, and learning outcome 4 is the highest, almost in every student. So I can understand that learning outcome 2 is quite poor in my teaching. And also I can download those graphs to be used in a separate Windows or application.